Greetings, friends and fellow cigar box guitar enthusiasts. Del Puckett here with a picking lesson. All right, so we are tuned G, D, G. So we are going to be primarily down here in this region here, and we're going to do what they call alternate picking, which means I'm going to start off with a downstroke, then it's going to be followed by an upstroke. Downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, upstroke. This is never going to change, but even though I'm going to be switching strings here, this is going to stay the same, the downstroke, upstroke pattern. Okay, so this is called alternate picking. So I'm going to start off here on the top string, and I'm going to use my middle finger for the first note here, which is going to be on the top string on the 3rd fret. Again, that's a downstroke. So I'm going to go down, and then my ring finger is going to catch the 4th fret, and that's going to be an upstroke. So the first two notes are down, up, and I'm just going down, up. So that's the first string, down, up. Pretty simple so far, right? Okay, so now we're going to switch to the middle string, and it's going to start off with a down, right? Because the last one was an up. So the middle string, first one's going to go down, and then my index finger is going to catch the 1st fret, up, then down, that's my middle finger on the 2nd fret, and then up, ring finger on the 3rd fret. So the middle string is going to go down, up, down, up. So I'll put all those together. So down, up, down, up, down, up, which means the next one is going to be down, and it's going to be the high string, open, down, up is my index finger on the 2nd fret. Then, let's see here, down, up, down on the 3rd fret with my middle finger, and then I'm done. So I went from this note here all the way up to this note here. Again, so that's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now we just reverse, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down. So that's kind of slowish, and it's real easy to switch strings because you're going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and you just switch to the next string. Again, I'll do it real slow. Down, up, 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 down. That's the way it sounds faster, faster. Alright, so I'm going to show you some cool things that you can do with that little lick right there. So let's incorporate this lick into a blues riff. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to slide up on the high string and then slide down on the middle string and then use that lick. So this is how I'm going to do it. All right, I'm going to try to give it some white boy groove. This little pattern is awesome for just changing directions really fast. Since it's just down, up, down, up, down, up, this hand never changes. This hand is the one that changes, so I can go down, up, 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 down, up. So there's a lot of little tricks and little versatility things you can do with this little lick. All right, I just want everybody to know that we are on the bicycle and we are going to be going through a work zone. Now, I've been through this work zone like 3 or 4 times in the last couple of days, and I've been rerouting through a detour because they had poured some concrete. All right, well, they just took the cones off of the concrete, so I'm the very first guy on this concrete here, so check this out. Here we go right now. All right, so now we're gonna go back and we're gonna look at our tracks, because I guarantee you, yep, sure enough, check it out, awesome. All right, you can actually see the very first tracks ever on this little piece of concrete. Oh yeah, you can see it. Here, watch, I'll turn it around. All right, there it is. You can see my tracks coming and going. Yay.